Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava, tracking all the big stories from India and across the globe. First, a quick check of the headlines. A protester briefly replaces Iran's flag on its London embassy with a former flag flown before 1979's Islamic Revolution. This happened during a demonstration in support of current protests across Iran. Iran's exiled Crown Prince Raza Pahlavi urges people to not abandon the streets, adds that President Trump saw their bravery. The appeal comes after President Trump said that he was ready to help Iranians achieve freedom. Bangladesh says it has told the United States that it wants to join the International Stabilization Force that would be deployed in Gaza, but it has not mentioned the extent or nature of its proposed involvement. US and allied forces carry out strikes on targets linked to the Islamic State in Syria. The strikes were part of Operation Hawkeye Strike, which was launched in response to an ISIS attack on US and Syrian forces last month. Nicolas Maduro's son says the Venezuelan leader is doing well in a US jail as he and his wife Cilia Flores await trial. Maduro's supporters staged protest in the capital city a week after his capture by the US forces. North Korea has demanded a detailed explanation from Seoul over an alleged drone infiltration. South Korea has rejected the allegation, with its defense ministry saying that the drone was not a model operated by its military. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister Sohail Afridi says Sindh government is playing with his life, alleges all routes for him and his team have blocked. The PTI is now set to hold a public rally in Karachi today. Musk's X to open source new algorithm in 7 days, revealing full code for post recommendation and ad systems to the public with monthly updates amid regulatory scrutiny from the European Union over algorithm transparency and content issues.